Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your top questions about Google Business Profile, what it is, why it matters, and how we can help your business stand out in local searches. Let's get started. What is Google Business Profile, and why is it important for my business? Google Business Profile is a free tool that lets your business show up in Google Search and Maps. It's essential for local visibility, helping customers find your address, hours, phone number, and reviews in just a few clicks. It also boosts your local SEO, making you easier to discover in your area. How can your agency help with Google Business Profile? We offer full setup and management of your Google Business Profile. That includes creating your listing, optimizing all business details, publishing updates and posts, managing reviews, and monitoring performance metrics. We make sure your profile stays active, accurate, and attractive so you can focus on your business. What are the benefits of having a well-managed Google Business Profile? There are plenty. Better visibility on Google Search and Maps. Direct customer engagement through posts, reviews, and Q&As. More credibility with accurate info and strong reviews. Updated communication, so customers always know what's new. When your profile is well managed, it becomes a powerful local marketing tool. How long does it take to see results with Google Business Profile? It depends on your industry and how competitive your area is, but many businesses see more visibility and engagement within just a few weeks. With our ongoing management, we help you keep your profile optimized over time, so those results keep growing. Want your business to stand out on Google? Let's make it happen. Contact us today, or check out the next video in this playlist for more smart digital strategies. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.